Since the dawn of time, humanity has been obsessed with a single, powerful idea: defeating death and living forever.
What do you
We
think that
constantly
means?
fear our own end and
I don't
yearn to
know,
have
but
more time
it
to
can't be
live,
good.
to explore, and to experience everything. Today, that dream is no longer a distant legend, but a highly ambitious and very serious scientific objective. Scientists across the world are now racing to understand, and perhaps even reverse, the fundamental process of aging. So, can we truly succeed in defeating death? Or is this just an impossible, purely fantastical illusion? And if this profound dream ever becomes a reality, what will be the ultimate price we must pay for this immortality?
The
To
telomere
defeat
shortening is
death and the
accelerating.
process of aging, we must first understand
Cross-referencing
exactly
with the mitochondrial
why our
decay
bodies grow
signatures.
old. The aging process occurs at a cellular level, where our very own DNA gradually becomes severely damaged over time. One of the most important factors is telomeres, the protective caps at the end of each chromosome. Every time a cell divides, a telomere gets a little bit shorter. Just like a biological time bomb is activated, when they become too short, the cells stop dividing and simply die, leading to the gradual decay of our entire body. We must also deal with the accumulation of senescent cells, which don't work but damage our healthy tissue.
If
To
this
solve
works,
this problem,
we could redefine aging
scientists
itself.
are attacking the aging
The
process
cellular
from a wide
regeneration
variety
is
of different
unprecedented.
angles. One of the most promising avenues is genetic technology, a revolution in how we intervene in our genetic code. Advanced tools, like CRISPR, could allow us to repair faulty DNA, stopping cellular damage before it even begins.
It's working.
Another path is cellular reprogramming, using special technologies to
The
return
cellular
old cells
integrity
back
is
to a youthful
stabilizing.
state. This could potentially help old organs in the body regenerate and recover, just as they did when we were young. Advanced transplant technologies and biotechnological parts also promise to replace our aged and failing body parts. But once we have solved
But
the
what about the
biological
equitable
problem,
distribution of
other
such an
questions
extension?
arise,
That introduces a
and
new
they are
class
far
system,
more difficult to
effectively.
answer. If only a handful of extremely wealthy people can afford this technology, will it create a new and unjust society? Immortality would cause a huge population crisis, rapidly depleting our planet's limited and precious resources. And, most importantly, without death, will we still be ourselves? Will our identity even matter anymore? Will human creativity and ambition still exist? When we have all the time in the world to do anything we want, the idea of living forever is already fundamentally changing our science and our society every single day. The race to defeat death could usher in an entirely new era of medicine and unforeseen technological breakthroughs, but it also
is the true
forces us to
essence of
face the
consciousness?
deepest philosophical
Perhaps it
questions
is merely the
about the
sum of
very
our
meaning and purpose
experiences,
of life
nothing
itself.
more.
Is death, in fact, the very thing that gives our life its deepest meaning and value? And is a life without an end truly a life worth living in the first place?